Hello dear fans. How to determine the coordinates of the terrain. With the development of interregional labor relations, as well as in personal interests, there is a need to move from city to city, other settlements, or to places where you have never been. Now there are many ways to determine the coordinates of the desired destination. Instructions. Step 1. Recently, Google Earth has appeared on the internet, which allows you to navigate the terrain, plot routes, study the planet and much more. Before you start using it, download the program to your PC. Step 2. Start the installation of the downloaded file by clicking the Install button and wait for the program to load. Step 3. Then start using the program. In the search bar, enter the location and check the box. Step 4. In the 3D viewer, inspect the entered location, use the navigation controls, circle with arrows, to view the area at different angles and scales. Step 5. Select a starting location and check the box. Step 6. Hover your mouse over the checkbox. Right-click on it and then press the Control key. Choose from here or here you want to get. Step 7. Hover over another checkbox and do the same as in the previous paragraph. Step 8. You can also determine the coordinates using the Bing.com website. Enter the area you are interested in the fields opposite the logo and click Search. Step 9. Select directions from here with the right mouse button. A window will appear on the left. In it, indicate the destination. The red flag is the starting location, the green flag is the destination. In the same place on the left side, select how you would like to get there. Step 10. Determining coordinates with a clock, sextant and globe. Find the sun in the sky and adjust the set screw and lever until the lower arc of the sun touches the horizon. Mark the time of this action on the clock to the nearest second. Step 11. Find the elevation with the set screw and vernier scale. Step 12. Record your results on a piece of paper. Draw an equidistant circle on the globe. After that, determine the coordinates along the meridians or dead reckoning line. Thanks for watching.